Hello friends, this is Kallol Roy from Foetron Academy. I shall be uploading series of videos on Microsoft Excel. I shall be uploading a unique feature through a unique video so that you can refer it in the time of your need. So let's go and see the features. Absolute cell reference. Excel has got two type of reference. One is relative reference, other one is absolute reference. Now let me tell you about relative reference first. If we go to this cell, we can see here it's a multiplication of E7 and H7. Similarly, this is E8 and H8, and here it is E9 and H9. This is taking the relative value E, E and H. Now say I want to give a discount here, say 8%, which I have written here 8%. So I am taking the discount value. So it has taken the discount value and calculated the sale price. Now if I drag it down, it is taking the relative reference. That is, here it was I2, okay, but in this case there is no I3, so it has taken 0 value. So how I make it available here? For that, absolute cell reference is required. To do that, what I do, I fix this cell, simply writing a dollar sign here and here. Now this 8% is fixed. Now if I drag it down, see, it has taken the absolute value of this cell. Friends, keep watching Foetron Academy channel in YouTube. Hit like, subscribe, and I can assure you, you will able to learn lot of things on Microsoft technology. Thank you.